Hello, this is the Rumble Roller and it looks quite extreme in appearance. I've just got this and want to do a first impressions video on it. I bought this as I have a very tight right hip and tight quads and need something to help loosen up and massage these areas. After a bit of research, I decided on this, the Rumble Roller, as I wanted something a bit more than the usual foam roller. Well, it looks and feels well made, but is a bit smaller than the standard foam roller. It is light and compact, and I imagine is very portable because of its size. It measures 32 centimeters in length by 12.5 centimeters in diameter. I will put it alongside a credit card and tape measure so you can get an idea of how big it is. Overall, it looks like a quality product, so I'll give it a try and do a full review later on and let you know what I think of it.